again. This is Caldera Creative Creations. I make wreaths for holidays. Oh my gosh, today I'm so excited. We are going to make a swag today. I got a whole bunch of beauties, which I purchased at the 99-cent store and some from thrift store. Okay, we are working with a big swaggy wreath. We are working with a green and red and checkered ribbon. We are also working with this cute snowman. We are working with some beautiful pine cones. A lot of these pine needles, and I had some mesh and I just rolled them up and put them in a wire, and we could make a couple of them. And we got a little present, and we got some of these, which I purchased at Joann's last year. Also, we got some of these assorted bulbs, silver ones and red and white ones. Okay, let's just move this along and let's get this beauty started. Okay, everybody, I already inserted my ribbon and mesh right here. I don't want to knock those over. Okay, just start from the top and work your way down. Insert some. Then how's everybody doing? Happy holidays, happy holidays. These colors are neat, you know. I had this setting for a while. Wondering, something like the colors of Grinch, and I don't want to do the Grinch because I'm not the Grinch at Christmas. I love Christmas, but hey, these colors came out pretty good. Then let's just work our way down. Ay. Getting lost in the ribbon. Just put one to the side, one to the other side. Get it going. Bada boom, bada bam, bada bam. Then you work, just keep working yourself way down.
I will be the best.
Yes. Go from this side, and then we'll put the ribbon. Green wreaths. I went to Hobby Lobby over here in Visalia, California. Nope, they just have little ones, or the ones already decorated, or big ones. I don't know why they don't have the green ones yet. Those are the kind I'm looking for. Okay, but anyway, look at we're coming to the end. And just swing this around like that, and the ends just stick them all under, and you just hide those real quick with one of these and put it in, and bada boom. Ay. Bada boom, bada bam, bada bam. There it is. Okay. Wow. Can you guys all see that good on camera? Okay. Then what we're going to do is we are going to insert all these beauties. First things first, we're going to get our pine cones. Let's get these beauties over here. We're going to get these up here. I'm just not good at ribbons, you know. I'm just not good at the ribbons. You know, like to get in the color and stuff. I don't know. Some people are just good at it. So, I just use this mesh. Hey, look it. Ooh, these are so pretty. I got pine cones. I'm going to just take some mesh and get that glitter and just do your own, you know. I found some of these over there at the fire department over there. A lot of pine cones. Okay, we got this. We got that. Bam. Okay, now let's get Mr. Snowman going. Where's Mr. Snowman? Okay, we're going to do the present first. I had this present up here, so I just pinned some wiring in there and I pinned it in. Put it halfway down, so remember now, balance this stuff out and don't get everything all in one place now. This is so much fun making these. I was in Joann's today. Ooh, I found some things They are just so beautiful there. Okay, and then make sure you step back and visualize to see what you're working with. Then let's get, oh, this cute little snowman. What are we going to get here? I put another one in the back of here. Get Mr. Snowman right here. I miss snow. It doesn't snow over here. It's in the mountain. Okay, how's that looking, everybody? Let's get some of these going. I was thinking about one right here. Balance everything out. Balance everything out. Put it in. There we got that. So pretty. Okay, then we got another one. I know we have another one. Oh, wow. Look at that, everybody. Da, 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 da. This makes you want to start singing Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell. I love Christmas. Okay, now let's just get started with these. Go crazy with the light bulbs. Christmas bulbs, yeah. I'm gonna balance everything out and you'll get it good. Da, 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 da. I got one right here. I think I'm gonna get this one over here. And this one over here. Okay, there we go. Happy holidays, everybody. Do, 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 do. Have a safe one. Okay. Here's another one right here. This way back in there. Get that going. Hide the rest right there. Then we just got a bunch of these. Let me see. You gotta step back and visualize, see what you're working with. Okay, here's another one. Ooh, get ready to pin this guy up. Okay, and then here's this one. Let's see now. Oh, wow. Okay, we got one more. Where can this one go? Let's see, everybody. Ooh, you know what? I just needed to balance that out. Can't have the same on same side, see? Ay. Slow down, mama. I see there's another one in this. I like working when they're pinned up better. Pinned up. You can visualize better. Ay. Excuse me. I'm just anxious to show you guys what a beauty this is. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, here it is. Oh, shoot. What happened to the rest of it? Oh, wow. Well, that's not going to go. Shoot. Okay. Anyway, the show must go on. Bloopers? I mean, ooh. We got it, though. We got it. Hail Mary. Okay, calm down, mama. Then we got some of these. I think we are going to wait for those. You know what? We're going to start with these little guys now. Let's get these all up in here. There we go. Another one. Wow. How's this looking, everybody? Does it look like it'll go viral? Calm down, huh? Woo, look at this. Wow, mama. La, da, 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 da. Okay. Got that going. Oh, my Sharona. Do. This is too beautiful not to. Ay, ay, ay. You know what? I think I'm going to put one of these guys right in here. Do-do-do. Okay, then we're going to... Here's the other one. I was wondering. Has to be one more. Bam, 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 bam. Let me see. Yeah, that's cool. How many did I make? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made 7 of those. Now let's get these guys in, and I think we got it, everybody. We are gonna pin it up. Ooh. Okay, let me stick some more of these, and I think I'm gonna get ready to pin this up. Da da down. I'm going to pin it up. Wait, maybe not. Hang on. Ooh. There. Here. La da 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 da. Right. Here. Okay, and I think that's it. Let's pin it up. So what beauty we made today. Ah! Okay, everybody go here. Oh, yeah, where's that? Here we go. Woo! Oh my. Is everything gonna stay? Oh wow. Let me fix my camera, everybody, so you can see what beauty we got in store. Okay. Oh, there we go. All right. Okay, you see it good? Adjust my camera. Here, let me go back a little more. How is that, everybody? Ooh. Can I go back more? Can you guys see it good? Wow, okay, here we go. Here. Beautiful. Wow, everybody, check it out. Move some of this so I can fix some of this stuff. Oh, look at Mr. Snowman. We got the glitters. We got the pine cone. Wow. Everybody think about that. How's it looking? Pretty groovy? Yes, indeed. This is my first swag, but I think I'm going to make some more. These are fun. Okay, and I got some of these. Once again, like always, thanks for coming to my channel, everyone. It's been a pleasure, so much fun being here with you guys all the time, making my crafts. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thanks to the viewers and the subscribers. Just made my day today by making another one. And everybody, thank you for coming. Hope you enjoyed my video, got some inspiration or ideas. Until then, once again, oh, look at that, just so beautiful. Just be creative and visualize and just enjoy it. Be happy. Everybody have peace in this world and happy holidays and be safe. Once again, thanks again for coming to my channel. Do 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 do. Oh, the little snowman, cute. See ya.